In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom searches and search bars in Adalo. First, open Adalo and load the app you want to work on. Once your screens are visible, we'll add the building block for your search, a text input. Look for the plus icon to open the Add panel. This is where all components live. Click Components, then navigate to Forms and Fields. From there, choose Text Input. This is the most flexible way to build a custom search bar because you fully control its behavior, look, and how it connects to your data later. Click on the exact spot on your screen where you want the search bar to appear. Most people place it at the top of a list screen so it's easy to find. You can drag it into position and resize it so it feels balanced and readable on both mobile and desktop layouts. With the input selected, set the type based on how users will search. Normal is the go-to choice for most searches, supporting letters, numbers, and spaces. Lowercase is helpful if you want to normalize what users type, which can make matching more consistent. Password masks characters, so it's typically not used for search. Email switches to an email-friendly keyboard on mobile if your searches target email fields. Number is useful when you only want digits, like searching by an order ID. Add a clear placeholder to guide users on what they can search, such as search items or search by name. Keep it short and specific so it doesn't wrap to multiple lines. You can also set a default value which pre-fills the input when the screen loads. This is handy for demos or testing. Just remember to clear it before publishing so users start with an empty field. Now, fine-tune the styles. Open the styles options to adjust font size, text and placeholder color, background, borders, and corner radius. A slightly larger font, a light background, and rounded corners can make it feel like a classic search bar. Ensure sufficient contrast for accessibility and test your choices on both light and dark backgrounds. Position and spacing matter too. Leave comfortable padding around the input so it doesn't feel cramped, and keep it visually connected to the list it will influence. This text input will power your custom searches once you connect its value to your list filters or actions in your app's logic. That's it. You've added and configured a custom search bar in Adalo, ready to style and connect to your data for a smooth, intuitive search experience.